So I'm on Vector Studio. So now let's select the Shape tool, left click, select the Ellipse tool, and now hold Shift key down and then create your circle to create a perfect circle. And now I'm going to remove the fill, so left click here, click on the icon to remove the fill. And now double click here, type 1 to add a 1-point outline, so here it is. Now let's select the Move tool, and now I'm just going to center my circle, so here it is. Left click outside, make sure the snapping is checked. If I left click here, so here are the features I checked. So now let's select the Shape tool again, left click. This time select the Polygon tool. So I'm going to change the number of sides from 5 to 6, double click, type 6, press enter, and now hold Shift key down and then create your polygon. And now let's select the Move tool, and now hold Shift key down and then rotate the polygon here from this handle here to -90 degrees. So now I'm just going to center the polygon, so here it is. Now I'm going to scale up this circle, select it, hold the Control key and Shift key down and then scale it up to scale it proportionally. So now I'm going to left click outside. So now let's select the Pen tool, left click, select Pen tool. So the Pen tool has 1-point outline, so now I'm just going to left click on this edge here on this side. As you can see, it snaps. And then I will go straight. As you can see, it is snapping because we checked the snapping. Just go straight. I'm just going to go a little bit over this circle and then left click. So here's our line. So now let's select the Move tool. And now click on the gear icon. Check the Enable Transform Origin. Now I'm going to move the circle here of the Transform Origin to the center of the canvas. So as you can see, it snaps. And now press enter. So it will open the Move and Duplicate window. I'm going to change the duplicate, check the duplicate, I'm going to change it to 5, type 5, press enter. I'm going to change the rotation to 60, press enter. Now click OK, and now make sure on the Move tool I'm going to select all the shapes. Now let's select the Shape Builder tool, left click, select Shape Builder. The action is plus to create new shape from selected areas. Drag them into this freehand. So for the cleanup, I'm going to select all unused geometry. This will keep only the shape we select. I check the use style from selected area. And now I'm just going to select the shape I want. So let's say I'm going to select this one here, for example, left click on it. So here it is. It removed all the other shapes. So now I'm just going to add a gradient to this shape. Let's select the Fill tool, select Fill tool. The context is fill. I'm going to change the type to linear. So now I'm just going to move this handle up. I'm going to change the color to this blue. I'm going to move this handle down like this. For this one, I'm going to change it to a darker blue. So for example, I'm going to add point here, left click on the line here of the Fill tool. So let's say for this one, I'm going to add a color, this one here. So now let's select the Move tool. So now I'm going to select the Transform Origin point. So here it is. It is not visible because of the color. So here it is. I'm just going to move it to the center of the canvas. I'm going to move it up. So here it is. And now I'm just going to move it to the left. So here it is. It is in the center. And now press enter. Now check the duplicate. I'm going to change the number of copies to 5. Type 5, press enter. And then I'm going to change the rotation to 60. Press enter. So here it is. And now click OK. And now if you want to remove the outline, I'm just going to select all the shapes. Click on group, and now here you can increase or decrease the outline, so I'm going to remove it. So here it is. I'm just going to add the contour to fill the gaps here. So let's select the contour tool, double click here, type 0.5 on the radius, press enter.